How to reset Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will see how we can reset Windows 11 step by step. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up settings in your Windows 11. So through the search feature, search for settings in your Windows 11 and open it up in your device. Under settings, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side, go to system. Under system, you have to search for an option as a recovery. Here it is, click on recovery. And under recovery, here you have an option to reset your PC. So here click on reset PC. Now you have two options to choose from. The first one, keep my file, to keep your personal file but remove all of your applications and settings. The second option is to remove everything, that will fully wipe up your PC and you will not find any of your application settings. All of your personal files, apps and settings will be gone. So from here, according to your choice, choose one from here, whether you want to keep your files or if you want to remove everything. After that, you have to click on next and follow the on-screen instructions and review what will happen. Then make sure to follow the instructions properly and your PC will restart, then begin to reset the process, which will take up to 20 minutes to an hour depending upon your setup. After the complete reset, now you have to again follow the on-screen prompts to set up your Windows 11 again. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.